This video chart presentation of Tirex Resources Limited brought to you by allpenny.stocks.com. Tirex trades on the Toronto Venture Exchange under ticker TXX. Nice couple days ending last week. A technical stock to watch this week. Some resistance established right in front of it at $1, but overall the chart's taken on a pretty bullish look. See continually making higher lows from the beginning part of the year, holding over top of the 50 and 200-day moving averages, both technically sound things to see. Take a quick look at the MACD and the RSI. See, the MACD did drop a bearish cross, but overall, though, it's still making higher lows at this point and trying to put together an upward channel. See the 12 EMA, this orange line, looks like it's starting to curl itself, flatten back out. Of course, we'll look for a bullish cross then. All going to tie right in with the resistance. We're dating back into May when it hit 61 cents. This MACD's been trying to trend upward since then. RSI's, very neutral position. All three right around 50. What I'd want to see here is this red and gold, the 14 and 21 RSIs, hold that 50 mark, because it's much more bullish when those two long-term components hold over top of 50. 7 has broken downwards through 50. Looks like it's trying to put together a recovery. So again, going to tie right into that resistance level. But point being, if the resistance falls, these indicators are going to take on a truly bullish look again. And that's something that you always look for. Now, one thing I'd want to see with this 50-day moving average is trying to start to trend upward. I'd want to see the price per share hold that 50-day. If it doesn't hold the 50-day, there's a good chance it's going to come back down here and test support around 85, perhaps even 80 cents for the 200-day moving average is. But with it closing at 98 cents right now, I'm really going to have my eye on it holding that 50-day, which is registering a 93. And you can also notice that the 50 days acted as a dynamic area of support this last few days last week. So again, that'll be a key spot for me for this chart to try and stay bullish. From a resistance standpoint, it's sitting right there at $1 right in front of it. Strong area of resistance that it did push through, but slipped back down. And I want to see it take it back out again to possibly go up here and try and make new higher highs, continue the long-term upward trend of the chart. Resistance beyond that $1 mark doesn't really come into play until up here around $1.15. You could even say up to near $1.20. You take out these old highs, and certainly it's $1.25, but I want to see it start closing above $1.15 to really put some pressure on that upper end resistance. Now, it's a very nice move from where it is. You're talking about 20-25%, which is very strong gains from a percentage standpoint. But I'm also talking in the overall picture of this chart because it does have a long-term bullish look to it. Volume 144,000 shares traded. See, that's actually a little bit below normal for the recent trading over the last few months. And if it does go up and push on $1, I want to see the volume bars start to increase, get back up here near this 300,000 to 500,000 range to show that people are seeing it as a buying opportunity. And you always want to see a break of a substantial resistance such as that with as much volume as possible. So those are some things I'll be watching for this week in the TXX chart. But as always, it's merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant. I strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching and trade smart.